Hi, good morning students. Today I will teach second standard Hindi. In previous class I will teach about Hindi Varnamala. For how many letters are there? 46 letters. I think all of you know how can you write the Hindi letters? Yes, see that picture? This is the Hindi Varnamala. How many letters are there in Hindi Varnamala? Total 46 letters. Then from A to Aha, that letter is called Swarakshara. Then Ka to Ha, that letter is called Vyanjanakshara. From Swarakshara having from A to Aha, Vyanjanakshara having Ka to Ha. Yes. Today, how can you write the Barakadi? All of you know that? What the meaning of that word Barakadi? Let's check that. In which letters we use it right hand Barakadi? ನೋಡಿ ಬಾರಕಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಓವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಓವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್. If you use the symbols and if you write that consonant sounds, ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಮಾತ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವ್ಯಂಜನ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಗುಣಿತವನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, yes, today let we start. How can you write that Barakadi? That before you write that vowel sound symbols, that means swaron ki matraye, that means vowel sound symbols. In which letters we called vowel sounds? From A to Aha. First you write that letters A to Aha. See, A. I think all of you know how can you write the letters. You touch that both line. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಆ ಈ ಉ ರು ಎ ಐ ಓ ಔ Aha. See, these are all vowel sounds, vowel letters. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಯೋದು? ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So now you write vowel sound symbols. See, this is the first letter A. This letter not have any symbols, because see that line in upside. In Hindi Varnamala, if you write any letters or words, must and should you put this line. So what is called? Shironame or Shiroleka. So that's why the first letter A not have any symbols. Okay. Look at the next letter, second A. See what's the difference between that first and second A? This one having extra line. Yes. So that is the letter symbol. ಏನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದೇ ಲೈನು ಆ ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಸೊ ನೀವೀಗ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪದನ ಓದಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಲು ಆ ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ spell or if you pronunciation that word also having this letter symbol. Okay, see that next E, this letter having E, this like symbol. Then E, that second E, that letter left side having first E letter symbol, letter right side having second E letter symbol. Okay, E, E, then U, then U, next Ru. Look at the three symbols, that letter downside put this letter symbols. U, U, Ru. Okay, next A. That letter upside put symbol A. Next I. You are having one symbol, you are having double symbol. A, I. Then O. Then OW. Then AHA. So these are all vowel sound symbols. In which letters having symbols? Vowel sounds. If you can use these symbols after write the ಬಾರಾಕಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇವುಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವರಾಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಮಾತ್ರಾಯೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಕಾಗುಣಿತವನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಎಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾವು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಕೌಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. They having 12 symbols. In 12 number, what we call in Hindi, 12. I think all of you know that 1 to 3 4. Yes, that 12 we called 12. Then these are all symbols in Hindi called khadi. So that's why in Kagunita we called in Hindi Bara Kadi. That means they are having 12 symbols. If you can use the 12 symbols after you write the Bara Kadi. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ? 12 ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಈ 12ನ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಬಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ನ ಕಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯೋ ಕಾಗಣತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಾರ ಕಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Or let me start. How can you write that bara kadi? Take the first letter. Which letter? You not write bara kadi from A to Aha. There is only symbols. If you can start next letter Vyanjanakshara, that first letter Ka. Okay, this is the first letter Ka. Now, how can you write the Barakadi? This is the vowel sound symbols. Yes or no? Look at the symbols. First letter, first A not have any symbol. Then second A, E, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Aha. So now you write that letter Ka. See that symbol before you write that Ka. Then Ki, Ku, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. So these are all Barakadi. I think all of you know that. How can you write that Barakadi? Then see that I will read that Ka, Ki, Ku, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. Here having that letter, consonant sound, the having symbol, vowel sound symbol. Both join and you write the Barakadi. Got it? So these are all Barakadi. This like you write that from Ka to Ha. How many letters are there in consonant sounds? 36 letters. You write both letters Barakadi. I think all of you understand that. How can you write that Barakadi? So these are all vowel sound symbols. These are all Barakadi. Okay. So ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆ ಟು ಅಹ ಆ ಟು ಹ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಇಂದ ಅಹವರೆಗೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಾ ಇಂದ ಹಾವರೆಗೂ ಕಾಗುಣಿತವನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್. See, this is second Ka. Then Ka, Ki, Ku, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kaha. Got it? How can you write that consonant sounds? Use to write the Barakadi. So this like all of you copied in your class from Ka to Ha. Okay. Thank you.